First is simple squamous epithelium or pavement epithelium. It is composed of a single layer of flat and tile-like cells, each with a centrally located ovoid nucleus. It is found in the endothelium of blood vessels, mesothelium of body cavities, pleura, peritoneum and pericardium, wall of Bowman's capsule of nephron, lining of alveoli of lungs, etc. It is composed of a single layer. Single layer means the simple squamous epithelium is a single layer of flat. Flat means squamous epithelium are flat, sheet-like cells that are compared to fish, and tile-like cells. Tile-like cells means it is composed of large flat cells whose edges fit closely together like the tiles in a floor, each with a centrally located ovoid nucleus. Ovoid nucleus means the shape of the nucleus usually corresponds to the cell form and helps to identify the type of epithelium. Ovoid nucleus are the nucleus that are shaped like eggs. It is found in the endothelium of blood vessels. Blood vessels means the endothelium of blood vessels is made up of simple squamous epithelium. It is found in the walls of blood vessels. Mesothelium of body cavities means mesothelium is a membrane composed of simple squamous epithelial cells of mesodermal origin, which forms the lining of several body cavities. Pleura. Pleura means a thin layer of tissue that covers the lungs and lines the interior wall of the chest cavity. This tissue secretes a small amount of fluid that acts as a lubricant, allowing the lungs to move smoothly in the chest cavity while breathing. Peritoneum. Peritoneum means the peritoneum includes the layers of mesothelium lining the abdominal cavity, and pericardium. Pericardium means around the heart. The pericardium is the mesothelium that lines the heart sac. The pericardium is a sac-like membrane that surrounds and protects the heart. Wall of Bowman's capsule of nephron. Wall of Bowman's capsule of nephron means Bowman's capsule is lined with simple squamous epithelium because it's required for filtration. Lining of alveoli of lungs. Lining of alveoli of lungs means simple squamous epithelium lines the air sacs or alveoli of the lungs. The alveoli are sites where air is exchanged in the lungs. Simple squamous epithelial cells in the alveoli allow oxygen from the air to enter the blood in the capillaries of the lungs, etc. It is composed of a single layer of what, flat and which cells, tile-like cells, each with a centrally located which nucleus, ovoid nucleus. It is found in the where endothelium of which vessels, blood vessels, mesothelium of which cavities, body cavities, pleura, peritoneum and pericardium, wall of which capsule of nephron, Bowman's capsule of nephron, lining of which lungs, alveoli of lungs, etc. Simple squamous epithelium or pavement epithelium. It is composed of a single layer of flat and tile-like cells, each with a centrally located ovoid nucleus. It is found in the endothelium of blood vessels, mesothelium of body cavities, pleura, peritoneum and pericardium, wall of Bowman's capsule of nephron, lining of alveoli of lungs, etc. Guys, if you like my video, please click like and subscribe to my Easy Learning channel.